Today we are in our Piano Adventures Lesson Book A, and we are playing Birthday Train, and it's a song using our new notes F, G, A, and B. Now our thumbs, our left-hand thumb is going to be on middle C, and our right-hand thumb is going to be on F, the green note. So left hand is here, right hand is here. Okay. And when you play these two together, we have the train whistle. So let's go through first, and I will play this, and then we will do all of our other pieces to learning this song. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Okay, we're just going to do the solfege on the top line because we can't really do, maybe we can do two solfege at on the bottom line where it's F, which is our hand is in this position, and B, our hand is in this position. So maybe we can do solfege, two different notes at the same time. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our solfege first. Here we go. Fa, fa, sol, la, la, sol. Fa, fa, do, do, fa. Fa, fa, sol, la, la, sol. Fa, fa, do, do, fa. Now we'll do both. This hand's going to do the B, which is T, and left hand is going to do the fa. So here we go. Toot, toot, toot. A little quieter. Toot, toot, toot. Okay. Next, let's do our note names. 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, G, A, G, F, F, C, C, F. Repeat. F, F, G, A, G, F, F, C, C, F. Now, F and B together. Move your hand up. Okay, now let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Green, green, teal. Purple, purple, teal. Green, green, red, red, green. Repeat. Green, green, teal. Purple, purple, teal. Green, green, red, red, green. Now, pink and green. Move up, pink and green. Okay, now let's do our finger numbers. Thumb in the left hand is on C, number 1, and our right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, is on F, G, A, B. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, 1 and 4, pink and green. Now, last thing is our rhythm. So we've got beets, melons, and watermelons. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, 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 watermelon. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, beet, melon, beet, 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 watermelon, melon, melon, watermelon, melon, melon, watermelon. Okay, have fun with that one. You're gonna do great.